Hello, today in this video we will learn about how to download IDM Internet Download Manager and how to crack it. For this first of all we have to uninstall the previous version of IDM from our computer and remove the extensions from Google Chrome. Here is next. So now open your internet browser, type internet IDM. It will show you a result. Just click on the first link. Here the download. Click on the download. Here is the downloadable link. Just click on it. It will start downloading. Just save it, the file. Meanwhile, it will complete. Now just click and open it. Yes. Click OK. Next. I accept this agreement. Just check this box. Next. Finish. As it completes, it will prompt you a message for enable the extension. Here the notification appear. New extension enable the internet enable. Then you just open it and close. Exit your IDM from taskbar. Exit. Open Google Chrome. To add IDM extension, it will show you a notification here, or just type idm extension. Double click on the first link and enable this item. Yes. See. Now just follow the description link. Copy this link and paste into your browser. Just enter. It will open a mega cloud. Download this zip as zip. After downloading, just open it. Run the below files, the 32-bit and registry file. It will add an IDM to the registry of your computer. Okay. Now copy the idm.exe file to the installed directory of an internet download manager. It will be here. It is. Just paste, replace in the destination file. Continue. Now we check whether IDM is working or not. Open YouTube. Just click on any of your video.
Here is the button. You can see from here we can download these files 780p or 1080p HD. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe.